A breathtaking view unfolds as the radiant rainbow bridge arches across the boundless azure sky, a pathway to dreams. At the bridge's edge, a trio of young adventurers Mia, Sam, and Lily stand in awe, their faces reflecting the wonder of the magical vista before them. Tiny, mischievous wind sprites dance around the children, their iridescent wings shimmering in the sunlight, their laughter echoing through the air. As the children venture onto the rainbow bridge, mischievous wind sprites stir, initiating a playful torment that promises chaos and wonder. Beneath their feet, the bridge transforms in a dazzling display of color, turning red to blue and yellow to green, creating a symphony of confusion and delight. Amidst the swirling hues, Mia endeavors to capture the fleeting beauty in her sketchbook, preserving the ethereal moment with artistic zeal. Sam, with a glint of determination, attempts to predict the bridge's erratic color changes, seeking patterns amidst the chaos. Lily declares with an infectious joy, "Adapt and enjoy the unpredictable journey." At the edge of the rainbow bridge, the wind sprites deliver their ultimate trial, plunging the once vibrant path into a lifeless gray. Confronted with adversity, Mia resolutely blends her paints. Sam intently studies the sprites' patterns, and Lily fervently rallies her friends. Narrator proclaims, "Only by combining their unique skills and perspectives can they restore the rainbow." The narrator reveals, "Together they succeed in reigniting the bridge's vibrant colors. With a united front, they prove that collaboration and adaptability can conquer any challenge," as the narrator reflects.